Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. Today I'm going to present you a very special speaker, the Tronsmart Halo 100 portable party speaker. Yeah, that's right, it's for your party, you know. Alright, as you probably see here, we have one of the highlights is got to be the light effect, right, which I will show that later. And we have some other highlights. IPX6 18 hours of playtime, handy for karaoke. It's easy to carry. Type C, aux, a manual, and that's it. Alright, so first let me walk you through the design. So on the top we have several buttons. You see? Oh, it feels clicky. I will show you how to use them a little bit later. Yeah, here is the handle, which feels really sturdy and robust, right? And move to the back. Here we have several ports here, USB-A and USB-C input, aux and TF card. Also we have a hole here that's for reset, okay? And that's basically the design. To be honest, the first time I saw this, it reminds me of the Minions, which is cute, right? It's cute. So now let me show you how to use this speaker. Press for 2 seconds to turn on. Alright, this time you can connect to your phone. Just turn on the Bluetooth, go to the Bluetooth list, find the Halo 100, and connect. That's pretty standard, right? Alright, just like that, you will hear a ding, right? The reason I want to connect is because it has an app, and then I can show you the light effect, because the light effect is definitely one of the highlights, maybe one of the most important things, all right? So we have the Tronsmart app, right? And we connect Halo 100. Okay, allow this and that and search. Okay, and that's it. We connected, right? It shows you the basic information like the battery left, and also you can adjust the volume here. Here is the sound control, right? So first thing I want to show you is the LED modes. It has 5 LED modes. Alright, that's the light effect. To be honest, some of them are, you know, have really subtle difference, right? But okay, I just leave it to you to explore more, alright? A little bit more about the app. So here is the home page. Right, so here is the music presence. Okay, it has different modes for you. You can choose default, sound pass, or deep bass, classical, customized, this kind of thing. Here the settings is you can change different play modes, right? You can choose Bluetooth, aux, or TV card, those. This is the light effect, which I've just shown. So it is a very simple app, but a bit heavy one, right? Or for other just controls, I just walk you through very quickly because it's basically the same as the previous Tronsmart speakers. So here is the sound pulse EQ button. Just press once to turn on or to turn off, alright? And this the mode button. Just press once to switch among Bluetooth, TF card, you know, USB flash disk, and aux modes. Or you can press 8 seconds to reset. And this is the stereo pairing mode. And here is the light switch. You just press once to switch among 5 light modes, which just showed to you, right? Or you can just press, switch on app, easy peasy. Or if you don't want it, just press for 2 seconds to turn off manually. And if you want to turn on, just press once. And here is the play or pause button. Just press once to play or pause, right? And if you want to active voice assistant, you just double press. It has activated, all right? And it has another function. Just press once to answer or hang up the phone call. Or if you want to reject the phone call, just press for 2 seconds. And it has another function, which is just press for 3 seconds to disconnect Bluetooth, right? And that's quite a button, right? It has so many features. And regarding these 2 buttons, which is for sound switching and volume adjusting, right? So just press once to turn up or turn down, all right? And if you want to switch songs, just press here to skip forward, press for 2 seconds, or here to get back to the last song. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah.
Alright, so that's a very simple unboxing and first look at the Tronsmart Halo 100. And to be honest, 2 things I'm really impressed. First is the cool light effect. How can you call it to the party without cool lights, right? Definitely this light effect is out of this world. It's perfect for your party. And second, what I love is the sound. I really love the bass, how punchy it is, and also at the same time, the vocal is crystal clear, So I'm really impressed with that 2 things. So what do you think about this Tronsmart Halo 100? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you are interested in the speaker, please check out the link in the description. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.